We start with the standard HTML boilerplate. We include the Tailwind CSS script to handle styling instantly without needing a separate CSS file. We set up the main layout. We use a gray background and center the content column. The input section contains a text area for the message and a button that triggers the create post function. Here we begin the JavaScript logic. We capture the user's input and ensure it isn't empty. Then, we create a new development that will serve as the container for our new post. We use a template literal to define the HTML structure inside the post. This includes the post text, a like button, a comment input field, and a container for future comments. We use prepend to add the new post to the top of the feed, unlike append, which adds to the bottom. The like post function simply finds the number span inside the button and increments it. For comments, we use the closest method. This allows us to find the specific parent container of the clicked button, ensuring we only grab the input and comment list for that specific post, not others.